Hello, guys. Welcome back to You Who Reviews, where you know who brings you true and accurate reviews. I just wanted to bring you a review of this Swiffer Wet Jet today. I know I haven't did a video in a while, but I was like, I need to get one done. But here's the Swiffer Wet Jet. I am so in love with it. I just had to review it for you guys. The word jet is under the sticker. They put that sticker, when you make a purchase and you're exiting the store, so you can't see it. But it is the Swiffer Wet Jet. And it shows here what it includes. 5 heavy duty pads. Well, I think three heavy duty and 2 regular. One small solution container, because in the store the refills are much bigger. And then 2 batteries. It says it can be used on any type of flooring. Shows those 3 there. And sorry to do that. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So here's the back of it. Right here is the instructions on how to put together, because it is the poles in half, so you have to put that together. You have to slip in the batteries and then add the pad. And that's what it comes with right there. So let me go ahead and get the wet jet for you. It's right here, actually. All right, so here it is. The front, that's the back. As you'll see, like I said, that's a little bitty baby container. It smells okay. The scent's not too strong. It's very light. Right there, the 2, let me see if I can put this down. This and this are where it sprays out. And let's show you the bottom. And this is the bottom of it. So you'll see right here, this has a certain texture to it. And then this has a certain texture to it. Those are my dog's food pieces, so excuse those. But the pad right here, this is one of the heavy duty ones. It looks like you're supposed to remove this. I really tried to remove it in the beginning. You're not supposed to remove it. That's just the adherent part that it helps it adhere. So then you just put it on, tap it, and it's hooked on. So let me demo for you guys real quick. Use my toes. But I don't know if you saw that spray out. But then you just wipe it up. So it does spray pretty far. I was really surprised at how far it sprays. Also, let's take out the battery thing so you guys can see. I'm trying to do all this one-handed. I don't think I can do it. Let me see. Yeah, I can't. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here it is. It lifts it up for you. And in the back is where you see the batteries that I put in. And then once they're in, you just push it down. It does not click or anything, but it is in there because it's not coming back up. So that's my review of the Swiffer Wet Jet. I definitely would give it a 5 out of 5 probably because of the convenience. I do have a mop and a bucket. I have one that you just push and it whirls it around and all that stuff. But the water aspect is, to me, so annoying. To put the water in, to dump the water, and oh, I need to get some more water. No, this is just giving you continuously new water whenever you press the button and need it. The solution's not bad. I saw it's about $7 or $8 for the bottle of solution, because that's what's in here. And also the pads. I was looking for the lowest cost, and I think I want to say a quantity of 12, but I could be wrong. But a quantity of 12 was about the same, like $6, $7. But it looked like they had a lot of big packs, meaning higher counts, and those were quite expensive to me, like 11, 12 bucks for, pads that I'm going to literally toss in the trash in a matter of minutes. But I was able to find an option online where they do sell reusable ones. So I'm going to be doing that, as well as I'm always looking for a hack or a DIY. I found where online you can make your own solution to put in here, or you can always just do mop solution, diluted, I would say. I wouldn't just put directly, you know, because that's not even what the manufacturer says of those mopping solutions. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, just go ahead and put them below. And thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful Sunday.